welcome back, crew. Hey, it's the very next day, and today we're actually gonna prime these parts. I know I've been promising that to you for the last 2 days that we'll be putting stuff in primer, but today is the day that we actually put all our parts that we took off the 505 wing gas pump, and we did the body work to it, straightened out and got the panels just as flat as we can possibly get it. It's not a car restoration or anything like this, but I still want the gas pump to look fairly decent and very nice. So today we got this morning we have a few minor parts that we just have to sand with 80 grit, and then we'll go ahead and spray it. So it's going to be a real quick video today. I always say that, but I have to go to work this evening. So we're going to go ahead and get in the paint booth first thing this morning for about 2 hours, and then we're going to go ahead and spray these parts, and then I got to go to work, and when I come back I'll probably not wet sand them. I will probably go ahead and sand them down so I can get ready to wet sand. So anyway guys, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me early this morning. We're going to get right into it. So we're gonna do all these parts, get them ready, and then when I turn you guys back on, we'll be ready for primer. All right, crew, so it is time to put some primer on these parts. I got the globe upside down. I actually sanded it down with 80 grit. It had a little bit of surface rust from the dew this morning, so I made sure everything is nice and clean. And like I said, we want these parts to be as slick as possible, and this is just primer, just the first coat of primer. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna have to turn the ventilation on over here, and let's go ahead and get her together. Big old fan there, but for the ventilation, I'm gonna set up everything, and we are ready to spray. Alright, so this is what I'm going to start with first, crew. As I'm going to show you this little globe. Now, this is a 13-inch globe. This is a smaller globe. I normally do a 15-inch, so. And of course, it doesn't have to do no body work to that. That was straight metal, so that turned out really good. And I already see where some of the lightweight filler is coming through or whatever, so that tells me that I got to do, a lot of sanding on some of these edges. But other than that, most of the panels came out really good. So hopefully we'll be sanding for a couple of hours a day. I'm not going to show you guys everything because like I said, you guys have seen me sand. And like I said, I'm going to start with 180 sanding this, guys. so I'm gonna show you something real quick, which I'm trying to get out. So like I said, I'm sanding with 180. Underneath this primer, I sanded it with 80. So like I said, these panels wasn't that messed up here. As you see, okay, so I want to see if you can see these sand scratches here. But that's what you see me, you know, sanding, and that is what I'm trying to sand out. Okay, yeah, these sand scratches to get the panel smooth like all of this here. So that is our object, and that's our goal, is to make sure there's no sand scratches. And that way, whenever we go and prime it again, I'll probably still start out sanding with 180, but it won't be as hard. And then I'll go up to like 220. So that's what you guys see me sanding. Crew, so I have just got to finish sanding all of my parts with 180 grit, and now I'm going to go back and some of the small imperfections on some of these boards I will go back and I'll fill them, and then I'll resand it. And then after we, you know, resand them with 80 grit, after we resand them with 80 grit, then we'll go back and spray them one more time with the hot build primer. So I'll show you some of the imperfections that, once I sanded it down to 180, I'll show you some of the imperfections that I actually found. For example, on this board, it's not very much. And I can probably just, what I will do is just take some glazing putty and I'll just fill these holes. Just like you can see here, let me see here. A few deep scratches. See if I can zoom in. See those little, it's like 3 little deep scratches there. And like right here, there's one long scratch. And right around here. See, so on this panel, that's the only thing that's really wrong with this. Other than that, it's very straight. And I will go through all of my panels. Go ahead and focus in. There you go. I'll go through all my panels. It's like this here. I can't believe I missed this big old spot there. So there's not much on these panels. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. I'm not going to show you me putting the glazing putty on these little spots. But I will turn you back on once I start priming. Alright crew, so we're about to do our second primer. Then we're going to let this, I'll probably put just 2 good heavy coats on this set here. So let's set you up and let's get going. go. Finally got it in primer. Our last primer. It turned out really well. One thing we got to do now is come back in here. We're going to let this set for a day. Come back in here and prime it. I mean, I keep saying prime. We're going to come back in here and sand it. And then we'll be wet sanding it. And hopefully Monday, we'll be ready for some paint. All right, crew. So this was fun, man. Thanks for hanging out. I'm about to get on that pump. I'm going to go ahead and paint it black. The inside pump myself. And I'll probably show you guys some pictures of it done or whatever. But other than that, we got a lot done this morning. Thanks for hanging out with your boy again today, guys. Don't forget to like and share these videos, man. And if you really like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, cut your post notification bells on so you get all the greatest and latest videos from me whenever I get them done. So like I always tell people, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, you know it. Smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. All right, this has to look basically with that black Rust-Oleum paint on it. I think it turned out good. You never see it. I'll clean up those numbers real good. Yeah, buddy, it turned out good. All right, so we get back on it tomorrow or Monday.